Hello friends, I hope you are all fine. Thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. I will tell you about the how to make money with a YouTube channel ultimate guide. So guys, let's start our video. Knowing how to get paid on YouTube is not only about uploading videos, and YouTube videos are not automatically monetized. When it comes to how to make money with a YouTube channel, there are a number of best practice to follow. For instance, having video thumbnail that entice viewers to click through and watch your video, and anti thumbnail look like this. We will explore the power of thumbnail later in this how to make money with a YouTube channel ultimate guide. Is making money as a YouTube easy? Yes, if you know how to do it, stay consistent and stay motivated. Want to know how to get paid on YouTube? Here's a hint. It is not all about subscriber. Having million of subscriber can be good as long as those subscribers actually with your video content. If you have a million subscribers but your engagement rate is less than 1%, it will be difficult to land profitable sponsorship deals from brands and marketing agencies. The truth is, you really don't need million of subscribers to make money on YouTube. You do need enough loyal subscriber that constantly with each video you post. Initially, you need to have enough subscribers to begin monetizing your YouTube channel and start taking next steps toward brings in decent monthly revenue. Let's take a closer look at how to make money with a YouTube channel and become a YouTube stars. Understand, you target audience before doing anything else. When you are just beginning your money making journey on YouTube as an influence, it is important to get to know who your viewers will be above anything else. Why? The target audience of your niche will be your featured subscribers. If you fail to fully understand your audience, your channel will fail. Ask any comedian that gets on stages. If they don't know who their audience is, they will be short on long term. will be short on long term. Find out how. Defining your niche and target audience will also open doors faster when it comes to working with brands and making agencies. Here are some key audience data points to compare. It is also important to know where your target audience hangs out online other than YouTube. For instance, if you find that your audience spends as much time on Instagram as YouTube, you will want to build your Instagram influence as well. Having a better understanding of your audience will guide you as a YouTube influencer. The information you couple can give you video content ideas, marketing insight, and more. Build your YouTube influence and join the YouTube partner program. If you are wondering how to get paid for YouTube views, you want to build enough influence to join the YouTube partner programs as a YouTube Google partner. You can monetize your channels a few different way. But before you can get YouTube partner program approval, you need to meet their guidelines. To join, these guidelines are: it is simple enough to be a YouTube partner as long as you meet the guidelines above. Here are the steps you need to take to become a YouTube partner. Point number 1: meet the guidelines for YouTube partner program. Point number 2: have two-step verification for the Google account you are using. Point number 3: have 1K subscribers and 4K hours of public watch time. Point number 4: sign the YPP service terms. Point number 5: link only one AdSense accounts. Point number 6: get reward by Google YouTube. Get approved. So guys, end this video today and don't forget our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye and take care.